Good afternoon. My name is Ron Edwards. I am the Imperial Wizard of the Imperial Klans of America. I am a defendant, as well as the Imperial Klans of America, in a civil lawsuit in Meade County, Kentucky. I am here today to give my side of the story to this ridiculous lawsuit. Mr. Dees from the Southern Poverty Law Center has over and again gave his side of the story on what happened at the Meade County Fair in Brandenburg, Kentucky, June of 2006. Remember, there are two sides to every story. I have not said very much concerning this lawsuit against myself and the Imperial Klans of America. However, Mr. Dees from the SPLC, Southern Poverty Law Center, has over and again slandered myself and the Imperial Klans of America for something we had no knowledge of at the time of this incident. Now Mr. Dees is trying to put a muzzle on me from defending myself. He has put a motion in the court to keep the jury and the media from evidence that can prove my innocence. He has made off-the-record deals with defendants. This evidence is crucial to my case in defending myself. Also, on the USA Today website, Jordan Gruber stated on their message board that Mr. Dees or the SPLC did not tell half the truth. Here are documents on Dees' divorce which show his character and immoral acts. I have documents stating from some of the other defendants in this trial that I nor the IKA had any knowledge that they were going to or were at the Meade County Fair that night the incident took place. I also have many other court documents stating that the other defendants went to watch some type of truck races at the Meade County Fair. The depositions from the defendants stating over and again that they were at the fair on their own accord without my knowledge or the Imperial Klans of America. One of the defendants lived in Meade County, Kentucky, and has attended the same fair on prior occasions. Mr. Dees has concocted a story stating that I and the Imperial Klans of America had the defendants out at midnight on some type of recruiting mission or event that was never planned or even took place. Dees has wrongfully accused myself and the Imperial Klans of America. This is the only way that he can hold myself and the Imperial Klans of America responsible for this incident. Mr. Dees has been stalking me and many others for many years, waiting and watching for the opportunity to file any lawsuit that can line his pockets from donations. This is how he has managed to become a millionaire and make millions of dollars over the years. Dees offered me a deal because he realizes that he may, in fact, lose this unlawfully put together case against myself and the Imperial Klans of America. On our website, you can view it at www.kkk.net. We have a disclaimer up. It's been up there since 1998, and it states that we will not tolerate illegal acts, that we will not have a member that commits an illegal act. We will kick them out. It states it in our handbook that if any member commits an illegal act, they do so on their own, and they do not do it with our permission. We will not tolerate that. In their applications, when they sign their applications to become a member, we also state that we want people with good moral character. We do not want people to commit illegal acts. The Imperial Klans of America has been around for many years, and not one incident has ever taken place with a member committing an illegal act with our knowledge. The Southern Poverty Law Center and Morris Dees is not an organization founded on defending civil rights. If they were, then why are they violating my rights to freedom of speech? If a member of an organization such as the Masonic Lodge, National Rifle Association, NAACP, Catholic Church, Protestant Church, or the Baptist Church commits an illegal act, would they sue the leader of their group or organization? Of course not. The only way that Mr. Dees can win this case against me or the Imperial Klans of America is because of our beliefs. This is clearly unconstitutional. Mr. Dees has stated that I have encouraged people to commit illegal acts, and so has the Imperial Klans of America, which is a lie. This is another tactic that Mr. Dees is using to try and win sympathy for this case. The Imperial Klans of America has been around for many years and has never encouraged illegal activity whatsoever. There are over 100 Klan organizations in the United States today. Yet Mr. Dees would like the jury to believe that if they shut the IKA, Imperial Klans of America, down, then they are shutting down the Ku Klux Klan. This is not the case. There are constitutional issues here. Not just my constitutional rights, but yours. Morris Dees would like people to believe that Ron Edwards has a right to hate, that Ron Edwards has a right to his freedom of speech, freedom to assemble. And he would also like people to believe that Ron Edwards encourages hatred through violence, which Ron Edwards never has. I have always told all the members we must stay legal. However, I do believe in many different things than other people. Each person in America has the right to their beliefs. I believe Mr. Dees has promised the plaintiff that he would be able to get him millions of dollars, lots of land, and shut the Ku Klux Klan down. This is not going to happen. It's all about constitutional rights and beliefs. However, Morris Dees doesn't believe that I have that right. He wants to line his pockets with your donations. He wants to make himself look good for the civil rights movement. I want you to think about this case because it has I have that right to my freedom of speech and freedom of belief, as you do. And I have not hurt no one. I have not encouraged anybody to hurt anyone. I have always been legal. I have never been charged with any crime or convicted of any crime. I have always been legal with everything I have done. I have children, as most of you have children. I raise them, and just as you raise yours. And I have my rights, and I want to see them have their rights, as you want to see your children. I want you to think about our constitutional rights here and issues, and I thank you for listening to me.